What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. I know y'all probably like, yo, I just uploaded like 2 times in the same month. Yes, I'm uploading. I'm about to teach y'all how to watch y'all Purple G. Shout out Drox TV. That's a mutual, my mutual. Whatever. But about to teach you how to watch y'all Purple G's. We about to head to the Orange map right now. But before we go, fit check. Hold on, fit check. Calm, Nike tech. Aqua Files, nothing too crazy. That's that. But yeah, about to get back with y'all when we get to the Orange map. Alright, so when y'all watching y'all Purple Jeans, bro, like I said, audio was terrible. So I'm gonna just do a little voiceover. I'm gonna get this done for y'all quick. When y'all watching y'all Purple Jeans, bro, take off the front tag. I'm gonna show y'all right here how to take off the front tag. You just literally pull the little bead thingy out. Take the front tag off. Hold on to it. Don't lose it, because if you lose it, then you have Levi's with a tag on the back. Before you tuck the jeans or whatever, bro, like inside out, tuck the tag in the tuck the back tag in the pocket. You don't want it to fall off or get stuck in the washing machine. Then put your jeans inside out, but you do not wash designer jeans right side in, I guess, whatever it's called. I don't know. I don't care about. I'm just teaching you how to wash y'all Purple jeans. Once you have the jeans inside out, you gonna put them in the washing machine. Put them in. Now we gonna do the same thing for the next pair. Tuck the back tag. Take the front tag off. Make sure you hold on to it, because if you don't hold on to it, you don't got purples, bro. You got Levi's with a tag on the back. Once you take it off, you're gonna do the same thing. Put the jeans inside out, and then you're gonna put them in the washing machine. That's just common sense. I don't know why the audio cut out. I wish it didn't, because I want to be doing this voiceover now. But yeah, chill. What is it? I'm putting the jeans inside out, and I'm putting them in the washing machine, and I'm holding on to my purple ties. Make sure y'all wash y'all clothes on cold. Alright, when y'all put y'all card in, here, make sure y'all put it on cold and press the power button. Start it. Always wash it on cold. We back at the crib, y'all. I know y'all see how the audio messed up, but I still did the voiceover for y'all so y'all can know how to wash y'all Purple jeans. So now, I'm gonna show y'all the very last step. Right, you just gonna put this back on, and then you gonna pop this right back in, if it will go in. I ain't trying to break it, but yeah, you just gonna pop it back in, put the tag back inside, and then you gonna hang them up somewhere. I hang them up in the bathroom. That's how y'all wash y'all Purple jeans. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and learn how to wash y'all Purple jeans. And I'm out.